What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to put ODI half waffle grips on your Eskute Nova. So the first thing you would do is this one you can just like kind of twist off.
Crank it.
And there you go. That's one off. And so on these, you have to see the smaller one. And you can get these down below. We'll put a link to Amazon. So if you look at them, that hole's bigger, so that'll go on the throttle side. And these ones are smaller. And you can just
Glue it.
Look.
Need a knife.
No.
Show them the glue.
You just rub it on that.
Just use half of it.
It's not coming out.
But you gotta poke it.
Open. Now we're gonna put that on there, like so. I'm gonna make it even. Put that there.
Some all the way around, maybe.
And then,
Just don't get it on your hand.
yeah, I'll be back. Oh, it stinks. You just slide that baby on. Make sure that grip glue gets in there. Dad, can you hold the bike? Look,
Twist it on.
it's on me. It's hard. I can't, Dad. This thing's gonna be stuck like that.
Let me do it.
Yeah. Here you go. Okay, it's gonna try and get it. Stuff stinks. Look. Look. My hands are sticky. Right there.
No, some more.
Well, I don't want the waffle to be on top. I want it to be on the bottom.
The bottom?
Yeah, so twist. Like that.
Alright, so let's squeeze this up so it's not got so much slack at the end.
Yeah.
It's pretty snug.
Let me see. Let me feel. Oh, yeah. That feels better. Oh, let me get that.
Now you gotta cricket.
Time for that one. Where's our box cutter? So in the video, I'd be cutting there. So first one's going.
Don't forget to talk.
Hold on. This one you gotta get box cutters or anything you have on you. A pocket knife and just cut it off. Just gonna slice. Dice.
So then you just stick your knife. Oh, is it okay?
Look.
Okay, it's recording. Okay, so we cut it down the middle, and now we're just peeling it off. It's just tough because there's so much glue, but we'll get this off. There we go.
Okay, now you want to get a tool, like, I don't know what this is for, like gardening and stuff. You want to try and get it down in there, and then like try and pry that off. That's just duct tape.
There we go.
Look.
Just pried that off like that.
And that is a snappy throttle. Okay.
Now, the question is this fat enough to go on there?
Let me see. What do you mean fat enough?
Is it going to go on? Is this
Yeah.
hole big enough?
And where's your hairspray? Alright, so we got some hairspray. That'll help us hopefully get it on. Alright.
Does this just make it slippery?
Yeah. Get some inside there. Okay, and that should get it on.
Ah. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. All right, now slide it to where you want it.
Oh, wait, I say we put some. Let me see. Let me see.
So now you just gotta let the hairspray dry, and it should be good to go.
Hey, that's not where I want it. But I messed it up.
Just position it where you want it,
Right there.
and then we'll let it dry.
Yep,
That wasn't too bad.
that was easy.